Greetings, my esteemed students of astrology. Today, we are looking into the intriguing world of matrimony and what might stop a marriage from taking place. I am William Lilly, and together we shall navigate the celestial realm to uncover the hidden obstacles that might hinder the union of two souls. Let us suppose you sense a great probability of marriage for a seeker of truth on the horizon looking at their chart, but lurking in the shadows are potential impediments. Fear not, for Horary Astrology can shed light on the source of these obstructions, helping you prepare your client and prevent them. We shall start by considering which malefic planet is casting its ominous shadow over the marriage. Is it obstructing the reception of the disposition of the significators, or interfering with their aspects? The nature of this malefic planet holds the key to understanding the potential hindrance. For instance, if this malefic planet happens to be the lord of the second house, financial difficulties or a lack of fortune may stand in the way. Perhaps poverty becomes an objection raised by someone. On the other hand, if it is the lord of the third house, the querent's family, siblings, neighbors, or matters related to journeys could become the source of obstruction. If the malefic planet presides as the lord of the fourth house, parental disapproval may rear its head. Perhaps the parent is unwilling to part with properties or assets, and they vehemently object to the marriage proposal. Should the malefic planet rule the fifth house, issues concerning children may surface. This could involve existing children or concerns about the ability to have them. In the case of a bachelor, past scandals related to children might come into play. Moving forward, if it is the lord of the sixth house, impediments could be brought about by querent's father's relatives, such as an uncle or a servant, or it may relate to illness or infirmity afflicting the querent. When this malefic influence emanates from a planet in the seventh house, consider the possibility of a friend or a public enemy causing the obstruction. Past disagreements, conflicts, or even legal matters may be at play. Now, if it comes from a planet in the eighth house, ominous thoughts of death may haunt the marriage proposal. Alternatively, it could signify a lack of sufficient wealth or assets for the union to be considered. Estate issues and dissatisfaction might hinder the proposal. When the malefic planet presides over the ninth house, it might be due to the person's relatives, religious differences, a meddlesome priest, or even the querent may have a journey planned. As we go deeper into this cosmic puzzle, consider the lord of the 10th house. Objections could stem from the querent's father, mother, or even a prominent figure, officer, or magistrate. If the lord of the 11th house is the malefic influencer, it suggests that the friends of both parties dislike the match. Those who once supported the union may now attempt to dissolve it or create obstacles. Lastly, if the lord of the 12th house has significant influence or control, then there may be underhanded dealings and deception at play. Delays in the marriage proposal are likely, and the querent may never uncover who is causing the hindrance. Slander and private scandals may harm their reputation, leading to a complete breakdown of the proposal. These celestial principles, with their subtle variations, reveal not only the obstacles in any marriage, but also the individuals who might aid or hinder the querent's pursuit. Remember, astrology can be a guiding light in deciphering the complexities of human relationships. I have shared this information candidly, expressing the complete truth on the matter. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, may the stars guide you on your journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.